Hello everyone, my name is Kate. In this video, we'll paint simple Luzon watercolor flowers. I hope this video will be helpful for watercolor beginners. Let's get started. I'm going to use cold press watercolor paper from Arches. Also, I will use GenCraft watercolor paints. The first flower that we are going to make is a beautiful dusty rose. I start with a circular shape from the center of the rose. When you make circular shape, make sure to leave the highlighting area. I'm using the tip of the brush and then little more pressure to brush to make larger leaves. I've added a little bit of that peach yellow to my brush and lots of water and then paint remaining petals. I've added a darker peach in the center. It makes it more natural. We'll paint different rows by using the same way. We are moving on the peony. By using the tip of the brush, start painting from the center of the peony. I'm also using yellow and a little bit of brown. Next, we're going to create petals. I'm going to use burgundy red and paint the front petal first. With the same way of painting roses, paint while remaining highlights. I'm going to add a little darker burgundy on the bottom of the flower. And layering inside petals. Next, I'm going to paint blue hydrangea. I've added and mixed a little bit of light blue with light gray. By using the tip of the brush, I paint petals and make the circle shape. Also, I add leaves on the side and finish up hydrangea. Okay, we're gonna paint leaves and stems. The key of the painting leaves is mixing with different greens. It makes your painting look more natural and delicate. How was today's video? If you like this video, please hit the like and subscribe my channel. I will see you again. Bye.